Hello. Welcome back to SilentInfotech. Many organizations face significant challenges, including the inability to associate multiple aliases with a single project, leading to inefficient workflows and communication bottlenecks. To tackle this problem, we have developed a new module, introducing Project Multi-alias Domain Odoo module. The purpose of this module is to attach multiple alias domains to the particular project. So if we get emails to the specific alias domains, the task is created in the particular project. Let's get started to check this module. First, install this module. Here you can see that the module is already installed. Let's continue and navigate to the project and click Setting. And then open the Settings tab. We can see that there is an option to add multiple alias domains. Let's add a domain by clicking on Add a Line. You can either use the existing one or create a new domain. Enter the alias name and save it. So now the alias domain is added to the project. Now it is time to configure the server. Navigate to Incoming Mail Services. Here we can see that the mail server is already configured for the particular alias domain. You can fetch all the new mail using this Fetch Now button. Now we will send an email and see whether the task is created or not. Once the email is sent, click on the Fetch Now button. Let's check in project whether the task is created or not. As you can see, a task is created. This is all about this module. Thank you for watching.